Hey guys, so this is some 300 blackout brass that I wet tumbled recently, and I used my Frankfurt Arsenal wet tumbler. I used the stainless steel media, and I used some Dawn and some Lemmy Shine, basically the same process I've been using for a while now, and I got a very odd result. As you can see here, this brass got like a weird patina on it. It's not shiny and yellow like it normally is. It almost kind of had a greenish tint to it when it first came out. And I ended up running it back through the tumbler again with just fresh water, and didn't take care of it. It still came out like that. And to give you a little bit of point of reference, here's some factory rounds, and you can see, you know, kind of what the brass looks like in comparison. Definitely a big difference. I don't know how well it'll translate on camera, but anyway, I've heard of guys having this issue before. I've never had it myself, and I'm not real sure what to do about it. I'm really not that worried about it. I've actually loaded up some of these, and I'm gonna shoot them, and you know, I'm sure they'll be fine. But I'm not sure what caused it. I don't know if maybe I left it in there too long. I did it for about 3 hours. I don't know if I put too much Lemmy Shine. I know that affects the acidic levels in the water. I'm just really not sure. That's actually a nickel plated piece right there, and even it looks kind of tarnished and weird looking. It doesn't look normal. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all this, and if any of y'all have experienced this or know anything about this, or can shed any light on it, feel free to do so down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. I don't know, you know, I'm just going to load these up and shoot them and keep on using them. I don't know if eventually it'll fix itself. I had kind of a big load. It wasn't, I didn't think it was too much, but maybe it had something to do with me putting too much in the tumbler. I really don't know what the deal was or why I did it. But anyway, I just thought I'd share this with you guys and see if any of y'all had experienced anything like this and could shed any light on it for me. Appreciate you guys watching. Y'all have a great day.